Luxury cars are known for their style, performance, and innovation, often representing success. But what if we told you that some of these high-end vehicles don't always live up to their reputation? Despite their expensive price tags, some luxury cars fail to make it past 50,000 miles without serious issues. Curious to know which ones? Let's dive in. 15. Acura MDX. The Acura MDX Hybrid promises a balance of luxury and fuel efficiency, but many owners find themselves battling its hybrid powertrain instead. The most common issue? The hybrid battery. Frequent failures mean reduced performance and pricey replacements, often before you even hit 50,000 miles. The transmission isn't much better. Reports of overheating, jerky shifts, and outright failure plague this model, with repair costs piling up fast. Throw in advanced electronics that love to glitch, and you've got a luxury SUV that's more trouble than it's worth. But if you think the MDX is troublesome, just wait until you hear about the issues plaguing a certain high-end sedan from Porsche. Don't miss out on more car insights and tips. Hit subscribe and turn on those notifications for all the latest updates on the road. 14. Infiniti QX80. This full-size SUV turns heads with its bold design and spacious interior. But under the surface, it's a different story. Start with the engine. Premature wear, excessive oil consumption, and timing chain issues are common complaints. And guess what? Repairs for these can climb north of $5,000. The 7-speed automatic transmission is another pain point. Jerky shifts and unexpected failures often leave owners stranded and frustrated. Add to that electrical gremlins, from wonky infotainment systems to malfunctioning power windows, and you've got a recipe for disappointment. Sure, the QX80 offers comfort and style, but its reliability record raises a big question. Is it worth the headache? And if you think this is bad, wait until you hear what we have to say about the BMW 7 Series. 13. Cadillac Escalade. Few SUVs have the presence of the Escalade, but for all its swagger, reliability isn't part of the package. The transmission is a known troublemaker. Rough shifting, slipping gears, or complete failure often strike before 50,000 miles, with repair bills climbing past $6,000. Inside, the story isn't much better. Advanced electronics frequently misfire, leaving owners with finicky infotainment systems and glitchy climate controls. Imagine trying to enjoy your luxury ride while sweating it out because the AC decided to quit. Not exactly glamorous. And then there's the air suspension. It's designed for a smooth ride, but when it fails, and it will, you're left with a hefty repair bill and an Escalade that feels more like a roller coaster. 12. Land Rover Discovery. The Land Rover Discovery is a premium SUV designed for adventure and luxury. However, its reputation for poor reliability has left many owners frustrated. One of the Discovery's most common problems is its air suspension system. While intended to enhance off-road capability and ride comfort, the system often fails prematurely, resulting in expensive repairs. Engine reliability is another major concern, with frequent reports of oil leaks, overheating, and sudden power loss. These issues can lead to repair bills exceeding $6,000, especially if they occur outside the warranty period. Electrical systems in the Discovery have also been criticized. Owners report issues with the infotainment system, navigation, and even basic features like power windows. These glitches often require multiple visits to the service center, further adding to the vehicle's already high maintenance costs. While the Land Rover Discovery offers impressive off-road capabilities and a luxurious interior, its reliability issues make it a challenging choice for those seeking a dependable SUV. 11. Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is a futuristic electric SUV that has captured attention with its cutting-edge technology and unique Falcon Wing doors. However, its impressive innovation is often overshadowed by its reliability concerns. One of the Model X's most notable issues is the Falcon Wing doors themselves. While they are a distinctive feature, they are also prone to mechanical failures, leaving owners with costly repairs. Reports of sensor malfunctions and alignment problems are common, sometimes requiring extensive service work. Additionally, the electric powertrain, while efficient, has faced concerns related to battery degradation and charging system errors. Interior build quality is another area where the Model X falls short. owners frequently report issues with poorly aligned panels, squeaks, and rattles. The infotainment system, despite being advanced, has been known to freeze or crash, requiring frequent software updates and occasional hardware replacements. While the Tesla Model X offers an exciting glimpse into the future of automobiles, its high maintenance demands and frequent glitches make it a less reliable option for those seeking worry-free ownership. 10. BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is often regarded as the crown jewel of the brand, showcasing groundbreaking technology and unmatched comfort. However, this flagship sedan is notorious for reliability issues that can leave owners frustrated and out of pocket. One of the most significant problems with the BMW 7 Series is its iDrive infotainment system. While it's designed to offer a seamless experience for drivers, it often fails, causing navigation, entertainment, and connectivity issues. This can be especially frustrating during long drives when reliance on these systems is critical. Beyond infotainment, the air suspension system, crafted for optimal comfort, is another weak point. Frequent malfunctions can lead to an uneven ride or complete suspension failure, which is neither easy nor cheap to repair. Additionally, engine reliability is a recurring concern. Oil leaks are common, and turbocharger issues have been reported in several models. When these problems occur, repair costs can quickly spiral out of control. With major repairs often exceeding $10,000, owning a BMW 7 Series can feel more like a liability than a luxury. Despite its luxurious appeal, advanced features, and strong performance, many owners find themselves questioning whether the prestige of the 7 Series is worth the constant stress and expenses. 9. Range Rover. A symbol of luxury and off-road capability, the Range Rover is an icon in the automotive world. However, beneath its sleek exterior lies a history of mechanical and electrical issues that have tarnished its reputation. One of the Range Rover's most notorious flaws is its air suspension system. While it's designed to provide a smooth ride across various terrains, frequent failures can leave owners with a bumpy and uncomfortable driving experience. Replacing or repairing the air suspension system can cost upwards of $5,000, making it a significant financial burden. Electrical problems are another Achilles heel for the Range Rover. Owners often report issues with the infotainment system, power windows, and even basic lighting systems. In some cases, these malfunctions can lead to complete system shutdowns, leaving drivers stranded. To make matters worse, engine reliability is also questionable. Reports of overheating, oil leaks, and sudden engine failures are not uncommon, even in relatively new models. Another recurring issue lies in the transmission. Many Range Rover owners have reported erratic gear shifting or complete transmission failure, which can cost upwards of $8,000 to replace. Additionally, some models suffer from frequent coolant leaks, which, if unnoticed, can cause severe engine damage. These problems often arise early in the vehicle's life, leaving owners questioning their investment. Despite the Range Rover's luxurious interiors, advanced off-road capabilities, and iconic design, these consistent mechanical problems make it a high-risk choice. For many, the dream of owning this luxury SUV often turns into a frustrating cycle of repairs and escalating maintenance costs. Considering its premium price tag, these reliability issues can make potential buyers think twice. 8. Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The Mercedes-Benz S-Class is often hailed as the pinnacle of luxury sedans, combining cutting-edge technology with timeless elegance. However, its reputation is marred by a series of reliability issues that can leave owners feeling less than impressed. One of the most significant problems with the S-Class is its active body control system. This advanced suspension system is designed to provide unparalleled comfort and handling, but is prone to frequent malfunctions. Repairs for this system can easily run into thousands of dollars. Additionally, engine sensors and electronic components are notorious for failing unexpectedly, leading to warning lights and reduced performance. Transmission issues also plague the S-Class. Some owners report abrupt gear shifts or complete transmission failure before hitting 50,000 miles. Given that replacing a transmission can cost anywhere from $8,000 to $12,000, it's no surprise that many owners grow frustrated with their investment. While the S-Class offers an unparalleled driving experience and a host of luxurious features, these benefits are often overshadowed by its high maintenance costs and frequent mechanical issues. For many, the dream of owning an S-Class turns into a costly nightmare. If you think the Mercedes-Benz S-Class issues are concerning, wait until you hear about the Maserati Ghibli S. The problems are so significant that they have left many owners feeling less than impressed. 7. Jaguar XF. The Jaguar XF is a strikingly stylish sedan that offers a unique blend of performance and luxury. However, its reliability track record leaves much to be desired, with numerous owners reporting significant issues early in the car's life. Electrical problems are the most commonly reported issue with the Jaguar XF. From malfunctioning infotainment systems to faulty door locks and windows, these glitches can quickly become a source of frustration. The turbocharger is another weak point, with many owners experiencing failures that lead to decreased engine performance and expensive repairs. Turbocharger replacements can cost upwards of $3,000, making this a significant financial burden for owners. The fuel system has also been a consistent problem for the XF. Leaks, inefficient fuel delivery, and injector malfunctions are not uncommon. These issues can significantly impact the car's performance and fuel economy, leaving owners questioning the value of their investment. Despite its elegant design and impressive performance, the Jaguar XF's reliability issues make it a risky choice for long-term ownership. For those who prioritize dependability, this luxury sedan might not live up to expectations. 6. Audi Q7. The Audi Q7 is a luxury SUV that promises a perfect blend of performance, practicality, and style. While it excels in many areas, its reliability record has raised concerns among owners. One of the most significant issues with the Q7 is its timing chain, which can stretch or fail prematurely. When this happens, it can lead to catastrophic engine damage, with repair costs often exceeding $7,000. Fuel injectors are another common problem, often requiring replacement well before the 50,000-mile mark. These repairs can disrupt the smooth performance that Audi is known for, leaving owners frustrated. The air conditioning system is another weak point for the Q7. Owners frequently report failures that result in uncomfortable rides during hot weather. Fixing the air conditioning system can be both time-consuming and expensive, adding to the list of maintenance woes. Despite its luxurious features, advanced technology, and strong performance, the Audi Q7's frequent mechanical issues make it a challenging option for those seeking reliability. For many owners, the cost of maintaining this SUV outweighs its initial allure. 5. Maserati Ghibli. The Maserati Ghibli is a stunning luxury sedan that exudes Italian flair and performance. However, beneath its sleek design and powerful engine lies a host of reliability issues that have left many owners disappointed. One of the Ghibli's major drawbacks is its engine reliability. Owners have reported frequent issues with the twin-turbocharged V6 engine, including turbo failures and oil leaks. These problems can manifest as early as 30,000 miles, often requiring costly repairs that exceed $5,000. Additionally, the car's ZF automatic transmission has been known to exhibit jerky shifts, further diminishing the driving experience. Electrical problems are another recurring issue for the Ghibli. Malfunctions in the infotainment system, navigation, and electronic controls are commonly reported, leaving drivers frustrated. These glitches often require specialized attention, adding to the vehicle's high maintenance costs. Despite its captivating design and exhilarating performance, the Maserati Ghibli's reliability issues make it a challenging choice for long-term ownership. For those considering this Italian beauty, it's essential to weigh its allure against the potential for frequent and expensive repairs. If you're tempted by this beauty, here's a pro tip. Budget for frequent visits to the mechanic, or maybe think twice before you buy. And hey, while you're pondering, don't forget to like this video for more straight-up car truths. 4. Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Alfa Romeo Giulia is a head-turning luxury sports sedan that combines Italian style with exhilarating performance. However, its beauty is often overshadowed by its reputation for poor reliability. One of the Giulia's most significant issues lies in its engine and drivetrain. Owners report frequent problems with the turbocharged engines, including oil leaks, overheating, and misfires. The car's 8-speed automatic transmission has also been known to develop shifting problems, further impacting the driving experience. Repairs for these issues can easily surpass $4,000, adding to the vehicle's already high ownership costs. Electronics are another weak point for the Giulia. From faulty infotainment systems to malfunctioning driver assistance features, owners frequently encounter glitches that detract from the car's otherwise engaging experience. Additionally, the build quality has been criticized, with reports of squeaks, rattles, and subpar interior materials. Despite its breathtaking design and thrilling performance, the Alfa Romeo Giulia's reliability challenges make it a risky investment for those seeking a dependable luxury sedan. 3. BMW X5. The BMW X5 is a luxury SUV that combines style, performance, and practicality. However, its reputation for reliability has taken a hit due to a series of recurring issues. Engine problems are a significant concern for X5 owners. Reports of oil leaks, turbocharger failures, and timing chain issues are common, often requiring costly repairs that can exceed $7,000. The air suspension system, while designed to enhance ride comfort, is another weak point, with frequent failures that result in uneven rides and expensive replacements. The X5's electronics have also faced criticism. Owners report malfunctions in the infotainment system, navigation, and advanced driver assistance features. These problems often necessitate software updates or hardware replacements, further increasing the cost of ownership. Despite its strong performance and luxurious features, the BMW X5's reliability challenges make it a less appealing option for those seeking a trouble-free luxury SUV experience. 2. Porsche Panamera. For all its glamour, the Porsche Panamera has a reputation for costly troubles lurking under its luxurious hood. One standout issue? The dual-clutch transmission. Owners report jerky shifts and outright transmission failure, sometimes before hitting 50,000 miles. A quick fix? Hardly. Repairs can easily set you back $10,000 or more. Ouch. Then there's the tech. While the Panamera's infotainment system may dazzle you with its futuristic features, many owners find themselves battling software glitches and failing parking sensors. These tech hiccups often mean repeated trips to the dealership for updates and repairs. Oh, and let's not forget the turbocharged engine. It's powerful, yes, but prone to overheating and oil leaks. But if you think the Panamera's issues are surprising, wait until you hear about the Volvo XC90. 1. Volvo XC90. The Volvo XC90 is a fan favorite for families, thanks to its safety-first design and spacious interiors. But behind the serene ride lies a bumpy reality. One big culprit? Its turbocharged and supercharged engine, which loves to spring oil leaks and give the coolant system a hard time. These hiccups can arrive early in the car's life, and they don't come cheap. Let's talk tech. Volvo prides itself on innovation, but the XC90's infotainment system often freezes or becomes unresponsive. Advanced safety features like lane keeping assist sometimes malfunction, leaving drivers feeling anything but secure. Fancy gadgets are great when they work. And the T8 Hybrid? It's a tech marvel on paper, but battery degradation and charging glitches are common complaints. Owners frequently find themselves dealing with reduced range and, worse, sky-high repair bills. Sure, the XC90 looks and feels premium, but when reliability takes a backseat, it's hard to call it a good deal. Did your luxury car live up to expectations? Drop your views in the comments below. If you enjoyed these revelations, give us a like and share. And if you're eager to learn about the blunders to avoid in a manual transmission car, don't miss our video on 10 things you should never do in a manual transmission car. Subscribe for more exciting content.